Vietnam Step by Step, your trusted companion on the journey to discover the real Vietnam. Imagine embarking on a motorcycle adventure that takes you from the misty mountains of the north to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, weaving through the vibrant heartlands in between. This is not just a trip, it's a rite of passage, a youthful odyssey that reveals the soul of a nation, 1 kilometer at a time. The idea of traversing Vietnam by motorbike is as old as the winding roads themselves. For generations, locals have used motorcycles not only as a means of transport, but as a vehicle of freedom, a symbol of adventure, resilience, and the spirit of exploration. For young people especially, the journey from Hanoi to Saigon on 2 wheels signifies more than movement. It marks the transition from dreams to reality, from curiosity to understanding. Along the way, riders encounter the living history of Vietnam, ancient citadels, colonial architecture, relics of wartime, and the enduring traditions of ethnic minorities. Each stop is a page in the story of a country that has weathered hardship and emerged with warmth and vitality. The cultural and historical richness of Vietnam becomes palpable as you cruise through cities and countryside. In the north, the roads snake through limestone peaks and terraced rice fields, a testament to centuries-old agricultural practices and the resourcefulness of mountain communities. Here, the cool air carries stories of old dynasties and poetic legends. As you reach the central regions, you're greeted by imperial cities, lantern-lit streets, and the echoes of bygone eras. The south bursts into life with the energy of the Mekong Delta, where rivers and canals shape the rhythms of daily living. Nature in Vietnam is a spectacle that never ceases to amaze. Imagine riding through the cloud-covered passes of Sapa, where the mountains seem to touch the sky. The landscape transforms rapidly. One moment you're enveloped in pine forests, the next you're coasting along sandy shores beside turquoise waters. The vastness of the countryside, dotted with buffalo and farmers in conical hats, offers a sense of peace and connection. Coastal roads lead to hidden coves, while jungle paths open up to waterfalls and caves echoing with the songs of birds. Each region is a world apart, yet all are united by the unyielding beauty of the land. But perhaps the greatest treasure of this journey is the people. Warm, welcoming, and endlessly curious, the locals invite you to share in their daily lives. Children wave from roadside villages, their laughter mingling with the hum of your engine. Elders offer wisdom and stories over cups of strong coffee or green tea. In bustling markets and quiet hamlets alike, the smiles of Vietnam's people reflect a deep sense of community and pride. You're not just passing through, you're becoming a part of their story, if only for a moment. The essence of a motorcycle journey through Vietnam lies in the experiences that await. Trekking through lush mountains, you'll discover hidden trails and breathtaking vistas. Kayaking on calm lakes or winding rivers, you'll feel the pulse of nature and see life from a new perspective. Cycling along rural paths, you'll encounter villages untouched by time, where traditions are preserved and celebrated. Sightseeing takes on new meaning when each landmark is reached by your own effort, each panorama earned with every twist and turn of the road. Immersing yourself in local life is an adventure in itself. Spend an evening in a homestay, joining families for meals and learning the art of making traditional dishes. Participate in village festivals where music, dance, and laughter fill the air. Take part in farming or handicraft workshops, gaining hands-on insight into centuries-old techniques. Every moment of connection deepens your appreciation for the resilience and creativity of the Vietnamese people. And then there's the food, a journey all its own. Vietnam's cuisine is renowned for its freshness, flavor, and diversity. In the north, sample steaming bowls of pho, fragranced with star anise and cinnamon. Central Vietnam offers spicy noodle soups and savory pancakes, each bite a burst of complexity. The south delights with sweet and tangy dishes, fresh seafood, and tropical fruits that explode with color and taste. Street vendors, family-run eateries, and bustling markets invite you to taste, savor, and discover. Sharing a meal becomes a celebration, a moment of friendship across cultures. Every experience is heightened by the reality of the journey, the sound of your engine, the wind on your face, the changing scenery that surrounds you. From the panoramic views captured by drone flights over mountains and coastlines to close-up moments of laughter and community, the sights and sounds of Vietnam resonate with adventure and inspiration. You witness the vastness of nature, the intimacy of daily life, and the boundless joy of discovery. The motorcycle journey across Vietnam is not just about reaching a destination. It's about the lessons learned on the road, the patience of slow travel, the thrill of new encounters, the value of perseverance. It's about challenging yourself, embracing uncertainty, and opening your heart to the world. Each day brings surprises, a sudden rain shower, a roadside feast, a conversation with a stranger who becomes a friend. You grow with every mile, finding in the journey a reflection of your own dreams and aspirations. At the end of this epic adventure, what remains is not just memories, but a deeper connection to the land, its people, and yourself. The road may end, but the spirit of exploration endures. Vietnam, step by step, invites you to continue this journey, exploring new paths, discovering hidden gems, and sharing in the vibrant tapestry of Vietnam. If you've been inspired by this story, let your curiosity lead you forward. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with Vietnam step by step. Together, let's keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living the colorful adventure that is Vietnam. The journey is yours, step by step, mile by mile, memory by memory.